Well, unfortunately, I did have to use the snowblower after all. This is what's left. It's melted some. Certainly, the roads are perfectly clear. They are repouring the sidewalk across the street. That's what all the cones, the plow knocked them all down. Big Six ain't going anywhere. Bluick ain't going anywhere. Ginger, gonna rain tomorrow. Maybe it'll be enough. But it certainly has melted down some. And that's what we're left with. It wasn't really a big deal, but certainly was good to get the snowblower out. Let's take a look out back. You see the snow that's overhanging the roof? Sometimes if I slam the door, no promises here, but sometimes if I slam the door, it'll create an avalanche. Well, one more try. I don't think so, but we'll give it a shot. Nope. Not ready yet, but you can see it certainly is dripping down without any problem. We have some ice daggers, some other meltage. This is melted because this face is south. Snow is, we got 7.5 inches, so that was, yeah, so just a frozen lake and all that. It's too bad we couldn't get the avalanche going, but yeah, that's it. Just a quick one on that, just to update you. There's some ice daggers there. And over yonder, take a quick look over there. He's got a bunch on his thing. Alright, that's it. Thanks for watching. Make sure you hit like, subscribe, and take care. We'll see you next time. Bye-bye.